a zombie girl or a mermaid girl? But what do you do if your best friend is a zombie mermaid? Watch Clementina's exciting adventures in our new video. Clementina, just look at this view. The city is so big. Boring. Oh, rocks. Clementina, where are you? Please answer me. Turns out playing on the beach is so much fun. It's raining rocks. What is this madness? She got Ursula's shoes dirty. Now she's gonna find out that messing with an ocean witch is a bad idea. Clementina! Where are you? I'll teach you a lesson. There you go. Oh no! Stop it, witch! Phew, what was that? Do I have a fishtail? Oh no! Clementina, don't worry. I'm sure we can fix that. Let me carry you home. This tail is so heavy. I'm exhausted. Oh, a cart. That's just what we need. Sit down. Phew, you don't look that heavy. And let's ride home. This is so much fun. Clemmy, stop waving your tail. It keeps hitting me. Just a little bit more. A tiny bit. Good thing we're only on the second floor. Phew, we're here. My tail is so beautiful. No way. We need to dry you. Oof, I'm so tired. I'll turn the fan on. Oh, it's so nice. What's that? Your legs are back. I turn the fan off and the tail is back. I see. The fan dries the tail and it turns into legs. Clementina, I'm a genius. You can walk again. Victory! Whoops, a puddle. Oh no, you can't touch water. The tail is back and the fan broke. There was a little fan somewhere here. Got it! Wrap the handle of a portable fan in light clay. Shape it into a mermaid tail. Draw a fin on parchment paper. Cover it with hot glue. Add texture. Attach the hardened fin to the tail. Add side fins. Cover the clay base with big sequins. Color it with acrylic paint. Attach a seashell to the center of the fan. There you go. Let's dry your tail a bit. It's pretty easy. Now you try. If you don't want to turn into a mermaid again, you have to stay away from water. Got it? Yeah! Wow, a fountain! No, stop! Don't touch the water! Water, awesome! She's hopeless! Good morning! What's that noise? It's raining outside! Let's go for a walk! Clemmy, hang on! You can't get wet! Here's your coat! Phew! There we go! Oof! This weather! Draw a predatory fish on the back of a clear raincoat. Color it with acrylic paint. Add a splash of water. Add a zombie fish pin. Cut pockets out of clear plastic. Cover the edges with parchment paper and seal them with a flat iron. Pour glycerin into the pocket. Add blue glitter and tiny beads. Add zombie fish. Attach the 2 fish stress relievers to the pockets. Wow! This coat has relaxing pockets. I like it. How long do you want to walk? What if we go back home? Where did she go again? Wow, what a hottie! Hi! Hi! way! How do you make your skin so pale? I've never seen anything like this before. I'm shocked. Thanks. I was born with it. This guy is kind of suspicious. I'll take care of it. Hi, I'm Tin. Nice to, are you chatting? Whoops! I'm so clumsy. Oh, what's that? Gotta go. Why did he run away? Here's a drink, and don't talk to strangers. Chop a kiwi. Add blueberries and a banana. Puree it in a blender. Pour the mixture into a cup. Add milk. Make a brain out of pink whipped cream. Cover it with a cap. Add a straw. Decorate the smoothie with an exclusive Zombie coffee shop logo. Mmm, yummy! That's great! Tin, don't be stubborn. I'm gonna cook you my specialty. I have a bad feeling about this. Oh, a finger! Great! And some fur. I'll add some dry soil. Mmm, yummy! Mix everything up. What's that smell? A secret ingredient. Done! Tin, have some! Mix gelatin with sugar and vanilla extract. Add water. Let the gelatin swell up. Microwave it. Pour the liquid jelly into silicone semi-sphere molds. Cool! Use a syringe to inject food coloring into the hardened jelly. Shape patterns so it looks like jellyfish. You don't like the presentation? I'll sprinkle it with soil. You won't be able to hold back. Come on, try it! I'm ready! Jellyfish! Yikes! It could have been worse. Ah! Whoops! Short circuit! Clementina! It was so nice when you were a normal zombie. I need to do something with my hair. I'll try brushing it. But it doesn't really work. Oh, of course! Mermaids brush their hair with forks. Everybody knows that. But how do I get this brush out now? Ouch! It hurts! This zombie is so slow. Here's my sea comb, you silly creature. Make shark skeleton pieces out of polymer clay. Add texture with a modeling tool. Bake it according to the clay package instructions. Glue the shark skeleton to a hair comb. Color it with acrylic paint. Add a layer of acrylic polish. Oh, how beautiful! I'll try brushing my hair. Wow, it worked! I like this shark. I'll keep you. A bath! This is so nice! You like it? Try taking a bath with my magical potion. Clementina! Oh no! Your tail! It turned into a skeleton! It was just a dream. Dreams are crazy. I'm doing dishes. You can't. The tap is broken. That's the last thing I need. What do I do? Now the tap won't turn off. Come on, Tin. You can do it. Maybe. I can't let the water reach Clementina. I'll cover you, Clemmy. Phew, the water is off. It worked. You're dripping. What? Oh no, a mermaid again. Huh, bad luck. My tail is back. be somewhere around here. Ocean! Oh no, again! Stop! Whoops! I won't let you in the ocean! Ursula, I'm begging you, break this curse! You got my shoes dirty again! Well, well, fine. Here's a magical bracelet for you. What's that? What do I do with it? Attach a wire to a bracelet base. Put in different beads. Bend wire to make creative patterns. Add skull and starfish decorations. Where did she go? Want to try it on? Wow! What a nice bracelet! A mermaid! Again! No! Did you like the adventures of our zombie mermaid? Then comment below if you'd like to see what happens next. And tell us what you like the most. A fish fan? A stress-relieving coat? Or jellyfish jelly? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell so you don't miss exciting new videos from Troom.